Tirana is just a busy city.
어이구 진짜 죽겠네.
People allowed to cross the street like that.
Keep losting.
Say it again. We keep getting lost.
We keep getting losting.
No.
We keep getting losting.
Yeah.
What?
We keep getting lost.
We keep getting lost. We keep getting lost. We keep getting lost. We keep getting lost. What's up?
What's up? Annyeong.
What's up?
What's up? We are in Tirana, Albania, which is the capital. We are gonna walk quite a bit today. We're gonna go to some cafes and a couple stores and just check out this city life.
Huh?
I might get a haircut today, yeah, if the price is not bad.
We will show you guys Tirana.
See what it's like. Okay. Annyeong.
Sunset burning on the golden shore. Never seen a view like this before.
Finally, we arrived here. 진짜 오랜만에 스페셜티 커피를 맛봅니다. 몇 달 만이야.
You got me hypnotized. I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away about you. No, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, cause I need you. My heart keeps beating like an island drum.
This cold brew has $1.50.
Are you crying?
No, but it's so good. It's $1.50.
Come back inside. Unpack your bags while I play the fool.
저희는 커피를 마시고 이제 또 커피를 마시러 갑니다. 알바니안 스타일의 카페가 있다고 해서 좀 유명한 곳인가 봐요. 카페 뮤지엄이라고 돼 있더라고요. 그래서 거기 한 번 더 가보려고요. 그러면은 또 걸어서 열심히 가봅시다. 아이고 진짜 야 뛰어와. 야, what did you do?
Nothing.
What happened?
I can't believe you left the charger.
Oh my gosh, it's my fault?
Ooh, charged really well.
또 그럴 거야?
What?
You gonna do that again?
Probably. We always do that. What did we do? What did I leave one time? Where were we?
You left your computer in the Japan
Oh,
airport.
that's different.
And
No, I feel like I did it also another time.
oh, you left my bag in the Brighton cafe.
What bag?
My backpack.
Oh yeah. And
That's
did
a
we-
corner.
Did we lose it?
No, they kept it. Anyway, lots of times we did. 알바니아는 생각보다 안전해요, 여러분. 막 물건이나 이런 것들을 그렇게 훔쳐가지 않더라고요. 그래서 다행히 뭘 이렇게 흘리고 다녀도 찾을 가능성이 높은 나라입니다. I trust these people.
You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me.
Anjanga.
Where we are going?
Skanderberg Square. Skanderberg is the Albanian hero. He's he's the most famous Albanian ever. His name is Skanderberg. I think he was a great warrior.
Alright.
Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good.
뭐라고?
Yogi. Skanderberger hamburger. Do you think that they should have a hamburger chain here called Skanderberger? Oh my god. Albania, if you don't have Skanderbergers, yeah, that's really very smart. I'm very proud of myself. Skanderberger.
도착했습니다. 코미테티. 우와. 메뉴를 주셨는데 메뉴가 너무 많아요. So we're not gonna drink raki, and I'm trying to read all these menus.
Does it work?
Yeah, some.
Is this like avocado toast?
No.
What is chocolate? Pickles. Oh,
Yeah.
Which one is that on?
Crudo?
Salami.
Salami.
Cool. We'll do salami. Salami and
one.
sweet.
Okay.
Cool. It sounds like something you would love, right?
Yep.
Gucci?
구찌.
Gucci?
아, 입냄새. 입냄새. Whoa. Salami and pickle? And sesame? 맛있어? So 맛있어?
진짜 맛있어.
I think there is a banana here. I don't know. Walnut,
Apple.
apple. All right.
맛있어? He gave us 2 shots of passion Rocky.
7 spices?
7 herbs.
Yeah. Let's try.
짠!
짠! 마셔라. 마셔라.
Oh, it's so good. Cinnamon. It's like Fireball. It's the same thing as Fireball. It's not. 마셔라. 마셔라. All of it.
It smells like a 수정과, the Korean 수정과.
You're gonna be drunk.
Cinnamon. Is that really good?
Yeah, it feels like drinking Christmas, right?
But it's like a fireball, something energy. It's so
It's good, yeah.
But anyway, yeah, amazing.
감사합니다 to our server. 감사합니다.
Now I know. Now I get it. Why people drink.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, are you gonna be wasted like in Hawaii?
My life right now is slow. Like,
I'm gonna have to carry you back to the van. 죽겠다, 죽겠다.
미쳤냐?
That's you 2 hours ago. So we're gonna go try to get a haircut.
Yeah, so long.
You got me going up,
Wow, you look crazy.
you got me going up, I'm not ever going down. You got me going up.
There's a gypsy market next to us at the old drive-in movie theater. They started arriving at about 3:45 a.m. and it woke me up. So we're gonna go check out the gypsy market. That's what it's called, a gypsy market. You okay?
차를 여기다가 주차했는데 이 뒤쪽에 오늘 바로 집시 마켓이 열린다고 합니다. 새벽부터 엄청 시끄러운 거예요. 우와. 대박. 우와.
spring onion.
Let's get spinach.
진짜 많은데.
Just put her own in. What did you buy and how much did it cost?
Tomato and spinach, spring onion. Total come $1.90.
How much?
Oh, too much. Yeah, I feel sorry because I don't have
small. Yeah. We got how much was that? Like almost a kilo of cherries for 246 lek, so $2.40.
We only spent under $5.
Yeah. We got a lot of fresh produce.
Yeah.
Which is cool.
You wanna go over there?
Sure. Need some maybe. But it's delicious.
가지마